For 30 days, I tried running a faceless YouTube channel. No camera, no showing my face, just following what the YouTube gurus said. They promised freedom, passive income, easy growth. But after 30 days, I realized something. It's not easy. It's just different. In this video, I'll show you what really happened, what I did wrong, what the gurus didn't tell me, and what I'm doing differently now. This is the honest story of starting a faceless YouTube channel. Like many people, I wanted to start YouTube, but I didn't want to show my face. I'm not shy. I just liked the idea of staying private. Then I started seeing videos everywhere. Faceless YouTube channels make thousands per month. No skills needed. Just copy and paste. So I studied courses. I watched tutorials. I took notes. They all said the same thing. Pick a niche. Upload consistently. Let the algorithm work. It sounded simple. So I opened a channel and I picked a niche. I thought this is it. My journey starts now. My expectation was simple. I thought I would upload a few videos and slowly start seeing results. But reality felt very different. First problem, picking a niche. Nobody talks about how confusing that part is. One day I wanted motivation. The next day I wanted facts. The next day I wanted finance. I kept asking myself, what if I choose the wrong niche? What if I waste months? I thought choosing a niche was one decision. It turned into many doubts. Then came the videos. Script writing, finding visuals, editing. One video that looked simple took hours, and when I finally uploaded, the views were low, very low. I refreshed YouTube Studio more than I should admit, and every time I saw single-digit views, it hurt my motivation. This is the part gurus don't show. They show success. They don't show silence. They don't show sitting alone at night wondering if your video is useless. They don't show comparing yourself to channels with millions of views. I started asking, am I bad at this? Is this a waste of time? Should I quit? And because it's faceless, you feel invisible. No comments, no feedback, no human connection, just numbers. That was harder than I expected. I realized faceless doesn't mean emotionless. There's still fear, there's still doubt, there's still pressure. After 30 days, I understood something important. Gurus don't lie, but they don't tell the whole story. Here's what they didn't tell me. Number 1, a faceless channel still needs personality. It's not just random clips and AI voice. People want stories. People want meaning. Number 2, consistency is harder than motivation. Anyone can upload one video. Few people upload 10. Number 3, thumbnails matter more than effort. You can spend 10 hours on a video and lose because of one bad thumbnail. Number 4, you won't see results quickly. Most channels die in the first 30 days. Not because they're bad, but because they expect too much too soon. At some point, I stopped blaming YouTube, and I started looking at myself. I asked, what am I doing wrong? What can I improve? And I realized I was copying instead of creating. I was chasing money instead of audience. I was uploading instead of learning. So I changed my approach. Here's what I'm doing differently now. First, I focus on one audience, not everyone. Second, I use storytelling, not just information. I share experiences, mistakes, lessons. Third, I design thumbnails for curiosity, not beauty, curiosity. Fourth, I aim for consistency, not perfection. Fifth, I track what works. Retention, clicks, watch time, not just views. Sixth, I stopped believing in overnight success. So what did I really get in 30 days? Not money, not fame, but clarity. I learned how hard this is, how much I need to improve, and why most people quit. My biggest result was discipline. Showing up even when nobody was watching. If you're watching this and you just started a faceless channel, I want you to know something. You're not behind. You're not stupid. You're just early. This phase feels slow because it's building your foundation. Every big channel once had 0 views. The difference is they didn't stop. Curious about what it's really like to grow a faceless YouTube channel? Join me and let's figure it out together.